is your favorite Jamaican? Who's behind the door?
Oh, snaps.
Oh,
What
snap.
it do?
What it do?
What's going on here?
Hey.
It's your girl, Siobhan, your favorite American girl over here, rocking the Adidas.
Okay.
Got the Adidas fit going on here.
Okay, I see you.
Okay.
I see you.
Yellow toes.
Don't dribble me, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't watch my Nikes. You know, I left my shoes at home.
No, he forgot his Adidas shoes.
Yeah, that's
so he brought his Nike shoes here. Come on in. Come into my humble abode.
Come in?
Come into my humble abode.
Let me close the door.
So I guess it's what
we
like
got
a
here,
room
right?
tour? Is this like a hotel, Tampa, Florida hotel room
Yeah,
tour?
nothing too fancy. It's
Nothing
really
too fancy, you know, because we staying what, like 2 days, 2 nights,
maybe a day and a half.
A day and a half. So we didn't get anything extravagant or whatever. We just got something, you know, some light. So over here, guys, there's no light. Oh shoot!
It's lights in there too.
Oh, it's no light right here. Okay,
No.
well, right here, this is just the little old microwave, just something simple.
That's a microwave?
Yeah. Microwave it.
Oh, okay.
And then this over here is the refrigerator. I got my water in there getting frozen because, you know, I need cold water. Over here
Excuse me, guys.
is the bathroom, right? Got this nice vanity section over here. This nice vanity section. I'm probably dark on the camera. Guys, I need to fix my hair because I had to put a lot of gel in it.
So mean to them noodles.
What?
Oh, man.
So over here in this area, we got the essentials, lotion, conditioner, hand wash, soap. We got the little sink, the faucet. Oh, that's nice. The faucet right there. We got some napkins right here if you need to blow that nasty nose. It's for you. Got a little coffee section over here. I don't know why they put the coffee maker in the restroom.
That's weird. But
okay, we're gonna rock with it. So I like coffee.
You're gonna be using the restroom. I don't need a coffee.
I like coffee, but why it couldn't be Starbucks coffee? But oh well. This restroom is kind of small, so but don't zoom in on me.
Oh, my bad. I was zooming in on the what's the name?
The soap.
I thought I zoomed up.
Okay. So here is a toilet, right? This is another bar of soap. Anybody's gonna be using this. Got some towels. The shower over here.
Nothing too fancy.
Yeah, just some light. All right.
Light work, you know what I'm saying? Light work. Lead the way.
Now.
Oh, you forgot the phone.
The what?
You forgot the phone.
That's not a phone, babe.
What is that?
It's a hair dryer. Oh.
Yeah, don't troll me in the comments now. Do not troll me.
What the hell? It don't work.
It's not plugged in. What's this? It's not plugged in.
Oh, shoot.
It's not plugged in.
Okay, well, we're going to leave that alone. But that's a blow dryer, the hair dryer. We're not going to be needing it because I'm not getting my hair wet. Over here is like a little mirror area. This is where we took a couple pictures right here. This is, it's like a little closet, a coat closet. Over here, we got some hangers, bags. We got an ironing board. We're going to be using that. Not an iron board. We got an iron in the iron board right here. We're going to be using that, especially Javon, so I can iron his pants. And we got a safe.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
That's a regular safe.
It's okay. Maybe nobody will, be like, oh, anybody going to put their expensive stuff in there, so let's not bother with it. Over here is a light.
I thought it was a candle.
I kind of did too until I saw this little button over here. But that's a light. Right here, we got our suitcases. Right here, got a little paint. I mean, not a paint, but a canvas over there. Something like that.
States and stuff.
Yeah, in the corner we got a.
Man, we right something right here.
No, babe, we over here.
No, I'm saying where we was driving from.
Oh, because we in Florida.
Yeah, we was driving from somewhere in here all the way to Louisiana. Like, we literally drive the whole Louisiana.
Yep.
What's this? Mississippi. And Alabama.
Georgia.
We didn't go to Georgia.
Georgia?
I think we went to a little piece of Alabama. Yeah, but the longest route was Mississippi. I mean, Louisiana. I wish there was another route so we don't have to go through all that.
Over here is our nice, big, comfortable bed. This is how I sleep, y'all.
You sleep, y'all. Look, I'm catching it in camera. Look, see, this is what you do off camera, guys.
Wait till he close that camera down. Anyways, back to the video. This is our TV right here. Flat screen TV, you know.
Who nice,
you know got this?
Maybe 32-inch TV.
Who you know got this? Nobody.
Remote?
No, I'm playing. And then
drawers that we're not going to use?
No. Well, maybe. No, I'm probably going to hang my stuff up.
They
kind of smell like something. Yeah, we're not using this, guys, because this don't smell right. But yeah.
Guys, whenever I go to the hotel, my stuff stay in my bag.
I hang my stuff up, like the important stuff, I hang it up. Like dresses and all that stuff, I hang those up.
Oh.
Over here is another mirror that I will be using to take my pictures, especially getting up on here. Screenshot. All right, so let me get down or hurt something. Over here we got like a little
chill while you watch TV or you know.
Yes, so this is like a little lounging area over here.
The hell?
You hear that? It sounds like this song.
Okay then.
Okay. Anyways, so yeah, guys, that's basically it. It's nothing.
Yeah. Right here's a little desk where we'll be doing our little edits.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing our edits.
Even though we won't be here that long, but no little edits. Maybe do a little video here or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
something
we're gonna get some videos edited while we're out here since we got time. Like that.
Outside the bushes, bushy. Oh, you do, sir? Smile. Hey, where you going, man? Where you going? All right.
Bushy. All right, guys. So yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty much it, man.
Guys, every time I go to a hotel room, I always have to lift this back. I don't know, but I need to check these sheets.
Yeah, of course.
I need to check it because it be critters in certain places. So, yeah, that's all I'm going to do now is just lift this back, check it. Okay, that's a piece of lint. All right, we're good. We're good with that. Yeah. All right. So far, so good. So, yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's our little room tour, our hotel room tour. So, we're going to have this edited and uploaded for you all. We're coming out with videos while we're down here. We plan to have quite a few videos while we're out here because we have, you know, it's beautiful out here. The sun is out. He could take my pictures while we're out here.
I'm mad I left my shoes like, oh.
It's okay, babe. Another time. But yeah,
guys, I left my other shoes like this. Because, you know, we was matching, you know what I'm saying? We was matching. I left my other shoes at the house. She got all she matching.
We can't see you, babe. He's so goofy. Guys, look at my dude. Look at my dude.
This is my jacket. Hold on real quick. Amen. Say man.
Amen. Say man.
Amen. Say man.
Amen. Say man. Look at him.
You're sure. You're sure.
He's so goofy.
You're sure.
He's so goofy. All right, babe. Lead us out. No. Where you? I meant outro, babe. Oh, don't leave out.
Okay.
All right. Do your team. Come on, babe. They're waiting for you.
I'm waiting for them to go like and subscribe.
All right, guys. He waiting for y'all to go like and subscribe to our channel and our videos. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time we upload a video. You will be notified. Oh, somebody texting somebody.
Alright guys, that's wrapped up the video right there, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a little something, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm hungry. I can't even talk right now.
Yeah, we hungry, y'all. We haven't, like we said, I don't know if we said this or not, but we haven't eaten since what? Early this morning, like around 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, some Easter bun and cheese.
We had some Easter bun and cheese. So yeah, guys.
I can't tell if the camera's on me or it's up top. I can't tell, but
it's on you, babe.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video, guys. Once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for supporting. We are almost at 100 subscribers, man.
We have 99 subscribers.
As I've been saying,
that is a blessing.
1%.
Mm-hmm.
Where we want to be. It's just 1%.
1%, guys.
I'm saying so. Peace.
All right, guys, we are out. This is our little room tour. Hope you all enjoyed this video. And like Mr. Bennett over there said, we about to go eat some food because we're hungry. Peace, guys.